Hi, I am Bill Skripchek, president of Waverider Trading Technologies. The FX Morning Mayhem podcast is an essential listen for currency traders. Each episode covers a curated watch list of key currency pairs alongside insightful market observations. It highlights crucial daily news events that could influence the market, ensuring traders are well informed. Additionally, the podcast offers valuable trading strategy tips, catering to both new and experienced traders in the Forex market. This podcast is for educational purposes only. None of this info should be construed as investment advice. To see the trades called out live on our Slack channel, click the link in the description to join the trade faction. And now on with the show.
Okay, so here's what's going on today.
All right.
So we're in the neutrals trend here on this here Aussie CAD. So there's really nothing to do on this at all. We are at a minor wave bottom. So this is going to set up along when it does finally set up. It did fire here. I think that was, when was that? Maybe last night? I wasn't paying attention. I wasn't gonna trade it, so I'm not too concerned with it. But right now there's nothing to do. Aussie, Singapore dollar, minor wave top. So we're waiting for a long setup. So nothing to do there. This would have to pull back up and go down. Look at that, just changed before our very eyes. So ignore that. Minor wave top on Aussie USD. So we're waiting for a short setup here. This will have to pull back quite a bit because amplitude's at a negative 62. So it would have to pull up to a negative 15 before we'd even look at it. So nothing to do there. Euro Chief. Oh my God, I'm almost making money on this. Very close to me making a little bit of money on this, and my strategy will keep me in this until this goes to about negative 50. So hopefully that will be somewhere in this range here, and then I will take some money out of that one. So that was actually not bad. I got that in that one on, I think on Friday. So I haven't been waiting a long time on that one. New Zealand, Singapore dollar. This is, where are we here? We are at a minor wave top. So we're waiting for a short setup on this one. But this one's got to pull back also before a valid short setup will happen. And then New Zealand to US dollar. Here's my stubborn trade. Really still chopping sideways if I'm being realistic, but it is chopping sideways and up. So maybe someday I'll make some money on this, but I'm just going to hang out until I even just make a penny on this. That's pretty much it. From a technical analysis standpoint.
Okay.
Now that you've got a little bit of experience under your belt, what do you think are the most, if you were to teach one of your kids, what would you say the most important things are to learn from a technical analysis standpoint?
If I'm doing all these things, I would say look at it, study one pair. There's basically a pulse when you're dealing with all of these pairs, and the more you get used to them and everything else like that, the more you can read them. I would look at it from that standpoint. I did tell my kids to go like Baby Pips or your program and learn all the little basics and then just study one pair. You had me do.
Start simple.
Yeah. Just learn that one pair. Just look at that one pair. And that would be the easiest way to do things, because once you understand how that one pair works, then you look at another pair and it's a lot easier. Otherwise, if you're trying to make a bunch of trades and do all this other stuff in the beginning, it's really difficult.
All right, man. Good luck.